Hello everybody, today we're going to take a look at this 400 watt metal halide high bay light. Okay, now if you may recall, I recently got the a low bay, okay, which is this, which I converted into a black light fitting. Okay, so this high bay light used to be a mercury vapor 400 watt. Okay, you might remember this. I've converted it to run 400 watt metal halide. Okay, so what I did was I took the starter and the capacitor that were in this and put them in here, okay, so I could get a 400 watt metal halide light. Okay, so here it is. All right, so we're going to show you it turning on. Okay, now when I bought that, it came with a bulb. This is the bulb it came with, this clear one. Okay, so this is the bulb that fitting came with. It came with a clear bulb. Okay, so this is a metal halide bulb. Okay, as you can see. So this is metal halide. Okay, now these metal halide bulbs put off a neutral white light compared to mercury vapors. Okay, so that's the arc tube there. So it's a lot different to a mercury vapor arc tube. Okay, so that's a clear one, but I like the phosphor coated ones, and that's what I've gotten here. Okay, so we're going to show you this turning on. Okay, with a phosphor coated bulb. Okay. And I'll probably do a video of this turning on beside the mercury vapor and metal supremo, the high pressure sodium. All right, so we'll turn it on. Here we go. Okay, so this is pretty cool. I've actually been after a 400 watt metal halide light for a while. Now I've finally got one. Okay, so there's the arc tube in there, if you can see. Apparently the support is a bit bent. I don't know why, but it just is. It's a brand new bulb. Okay, I don't know why the support's bent, but that doesn't affect it. The bulb still runs fine. Okay, now this will put off a neutral white light when it reaches full brightness, compared to mercury vapor, which puts off a white light, and high pressure sodium, which puts off an orange light. Okay, now metal halide lamps, they do get hot. Okay, it's the same as mercury vapor and metal and high pressure sodium. They do get very hot during operation, so you don't want to touch them. Okay, the bulb gets red hot. Okay, so if you touch it, you'll burn your hand. Okay, it's getting warm now. Okay, I did show you a 250 watt metal halide. Okay, that I got for me Roadstar. Okay, but this is a 400 watt. And it's getting bright now. And it's starting to put off a nice neutral white light. Okay, compared to the mercury vapor. This is the same color temperature as the road LED. Okay, the bulb is made by Osram. As you can see, it's a 400 watt and it was made in Mexico. Okay, I can actually feel the heat. It's getting really hot. Okay. You can probably see the arc tube in there. It's the same as this. Okay, it's the exact same thing, except the only difference is that this one's a phosphor coated bulb and that one's clear. And it doesn't take long to warm up, like it's at full brightness now. Yeah, the ballast is starting to stop now. So that's at full brightness now. So look around the room, puts out a good amount of light, as you can see. It's probably not as bright as the road LED, but it is bright. Okay. Okay, it's also very hot. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Okay, now I think this one's a pulse start, because the pulse start one needs a start. I think it's the one that takes the starter. As where the ones that don't have the starter in the fitting, I think a probe start. Okay, so metal halide, you get two types, probe start and pulse start. Okay, so that's at full brightness now. It didn't take long to warm up. In a separate video, I'll probably show you it turning on with the clear bulb. Okay, but I'm just showing you the phosphor coated one. So that's putting off a good amount of light too. Okay, so now I guess we'll watch it turn off. Doesn't take long to turn off. So that is so there you go. So that is a 400 watt metal halide light. Hope you enjoyed, and that'll be it.